Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2003 GMC Sierra. The headlight housing is easily disengaged from the car, making a headlight change much easier than it is on other vehicles. Removing the taillights is easy, as you only have to remove a few bolts to remove the housing from the vehicle. Other models require the removal of other panels and fasteners, so it's nice that this car simplifies the process. The oil level is easy to check, as the dipstick is clearly accessible in the engine bay. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. In order to remove the battery, you'll have to remove a sway bar first. This extra step doesn't exist on other cars, and can add an extra headache to this repair. To remove the air filter, you'll have to loosen bolts on the housing first, which is an extra step when compared to other models. In order to access the power steering fluid reservoir, you'll have to make a tough reach in the engine bay. This makes it harder to check or fill the fluid level than it is on other models. Overall, the 2003 GMC Sierra was a very easy vehicle to maintain, and is a good choice for someone looking for an easy-to-fix car.